So we're almost done here. I've already gone in with a coat of RESOLENE. It's looking pretty good, as you can see. Just one more coat. This is a protective acrylic finish for leather. Fibings. Let's go in with this stuff. Okay, so a couple of things. One, you'll note that my brush is pink, so I probably should have gone in and wiped down some excessive dye before doing this, but I'm not too fussed. And the other thing is you want to be extremely sure to go in with as thin a coat as possible when you do this, because if you get it too thick, it will get sticky, and that's a pain in the neck. So recently, like a couple of days ago, I decided to redo the handles on my Louis Vuitton bag here. And I went in and I don't know if you can see that there. I did it too thickly and it was sticky, and then I used the bag and it basically rolled off. So now I'm going to have to go in and do it again. It didn't damage it, but yeah, thinner is better. And I think, you know, it's been 2 years since I touched this bag. So I did go in again and dye it and put a coat of RESOLENE on it. I don't think I needed to dye it again, but I don't think RESOLENE lasts forever. It does keep the dye sealed, however, and keeps it somewhat water resistant, but it's not a one shot and you're finished for life sort of thing. Like, you know, regular leather products, you want to clean and condition them from time to time. I think the same goes for post-dyeing situations. I'm trying to work fairly fast because it does dry fairly quickly initially anyway. And I'm trying to avoid the bubbling situation that can go on with this stuff. And I just avoid that issue by just sweeping over it a few times. And generally the bubbles will die down by themselves, but if you want to ensure a good finish, then try and pat those down.